your channel. In this episode, we're going to show you guys how to cook Banku. Banku is originally from Ghana, a Volta region to be precise. This food is made out of corn, cassava. So what you do is you mash it up like in the bowl from Ghana, then you stir it slowly, but fast forward the video so that I can actually enjoy the video. So this me in the UK missing home, so decided to cook this delicious local food. I cook it this way because that's the only option I have now, but when I'm in Ghana, I'll try to show you guys how to cook it. Areas I mean in the village. So this is just me cooking the Banku. Most of the videos you watch on the channel where I'm eating, this is the type of food I eat. So you can help me grow the channel by subscribing, liking the video, and also turning the bell button on. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoy this process of cooking Banku. Thank you. Hit the like button now. Thank you.